Good morning, it's Wednesday the 1st of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged higher today on expectations for an agreement on financial aid and new austerity measures for Greece. Reports said that Germany appears willing to drop its push for a Greek debt restructuring and join the EU policymakers in forming a comprehensive plan on further bailout for Greece. Against the dollar, the euro climbed to a 3-week high at 144.43 from 143.61 as hopes for a resolution to Greece's debt problems begin to rise. Eurozone consumer price index was less than the market anticipated at 2.7% in May, but significantly above the central bank's inflation target of 2%. The high CPI figures indicate that interest rates may rise as the central bank's primary mandate is price stability. The US dollar was under pressure yesterday, weighed by poor US data and lower US Treasury yields. Consumer confidence, house price index and purchasing managers index revealed softer than expected figures, disappointing investors. The poor data raised concerns over the US economic recovery, pushing back expectations for an interest rate hike by the Fed. Versus the Canadian dollar, the dollar dipped to 0.9655 from 0.9764 after the Bank of Canada left interest rates unchanged and a rebound in oil prices. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar rallied to 81.77 from 80.71 after credit rating agency Moody's put Japan on a negative outlook. The Australian dollar rose towards a 3-week high against a softer dollar, trading as high as 107.50 from 106.42. Today data showed Australia's gross domestic product fell 1.2% in the first quarter, less than some speculators forecasted. Oil prices ticked higher at $103.36 a barrel from $100.05. Gold fell to $1,529.43 an ounce from $1,540.69. And silver also edged lower at $37.92 an ounce from $38.75. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 143.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 143.70. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 81.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.55. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 106.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 106.90. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 165 with a preference to enter into short positions at 164.90. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9715 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9715. Now let's take a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 100.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.90. The gold pivot point is at 1541 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1541. And the silver pivot point is at 38.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 38.90. Today's calendar and market movers are the Europe PMI manufacturing in May is forecast to fall to 54.8. UK PMI manufacturing in May is forecast to fall to 54.1 and US ADP employment change in May is forecast to fall to 175,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday with the SP 500 up 1.06% and the Dow was up 1.03%. European bourses were also positive with the FTSE up 0.86%, the DAX was up 1.86% and the CAC was up 1.63%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.12% and the Hang Seng was down 0.14%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.